For the second time amidst the unrest, Republican Party of India, Attawale National General Secretary Maheshor Thounaojam met Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Monday, wherein the latter reportedly disclosed that Indian Air Force has been directed to destroy Poppy Plantation in Manipur before harvest. Maheshor informed the People's Chronicle through phone from Delhi that he met Rajnath Singh at latter's New Delhi residence, along with Meitei supporters of Rajnath's constituency in UP and Meiteis settling in Rajasthan. According to Maheshor, he reminded the Union Defence Minister about the issue of eviction of illegal immigrants from Manipur and destruction of Poppy Plantation using Indian Air Force before being harvested that were raised in the earlier meeting. The Union Defence Minister responded that Indian Air Force has been ordered to destroy Poppy Plantation in Manipur before being harvested, he said, and appealed to the state government to communicate with the Defence Ministry to begin destruction of Poppy Plantation before harvest.